Good morning. I'm going to Portugal to race the Gravel Bird 350. For this trip, I partnered with Thompson. Shout out Garrett one time. Thank you guys so much for sending over this bike. It looks really great and I cannot wait to ride it. I'm not a gravel person at all, so there should be something.
Single speed well.
Well, I don't want to single speed it.
Girthy bike.
Oh, first impressions, I have no idea what I'm doing. First impressions on the bike. It's a bike. Pretty sick. It's a fucking bike, dude. It's a sick bike. So, baby. But yeah, gears keep skipping, which is all my fault. Literally just put it together and let it rip. But yeah, gonna go back to the shop, take care of it, and yeah. Ooh, fuck.
They don't like us, dude. They don't like us. I don't know what happened.
Why? Why? Because we're fucking autonomy fucking bike, bro?
Because they decided to drive a car through Kensington Market.
Idiot!
The first jump. Tiny adjustment. Make the first jump. Let's see. Perfect. And not so much, you know, a little more. There, now it's happy. Back to the start. Still not sitting in there. It's just that over and over again.
Word.
Literally
just micro adjustments to this guy over here to make sure chain jumps on proper gear.
And that's assuming that your B limit screw and your high and low are adjusted.
I see. What is the B limit and the high and low? Walk me through that.
The high limit or low limit, I don't know which one does which. It means that the derailleur, if I push it, it doesn't push the chain far enough that it shoots it into the spokes. So like you had a bike as a child, eventually it shoot into the spokes. Yeah. You adjust the limit screws, the derailleur won't let it go that far. So the same thing where there's a low limit, where it doesn't shoot it past the gear. So it makes sure that it's in that range. B limit screw is the height of this cage. So you can lower it using, where is it, this screw, and this little chunk will get a little bit closer to our cassette. So the closer you can get it without it hitting is the best shifting you're gonna get.
Shit.
I don't know what I'm doing.
You're more qualified than me, let me tell you.